Friends, gone are the days when it used to take 2 or more days for a check to clear. RBI has introduced a new facility, faster clearing of checks. Now, the money will reach your account within just a few hours. How does it work? Let's understand RBI's new guidelines. What is faster clearing of checks? RBI has announced that now banks will pass a return checks on the same day. That means if you deposit a check in the morning, your money could be credited to your account by evening. And that's not all. From January 3, 2026, banks will pass a return checks within just 3 hours. So your money will now be credited to your account within a few hours. Why was this change made? Earlier, check clearing used to take time because the process was long. Filing, scanning, and settlement between banks caused delays. Now RBI has upgraded the digital automation and CTS check truncation system to make the entire process faster, so that both individuals and businesses get their money quickly. Who will benefit from this? This new guideline from RBI will benefit everyone. Businesses will receive payments faster. Salaries and refunds will be credited sooner. Delays and check bounce cases will reduce. And most importantly, transparency will increase. What should customers keep in mind? RBI has clearly advised customers should maintain sufficient balance in their accounts to avoid check bounce. Because now, with faster clearing, there's less time to correct mistakes or add funds. RBI, the key benefits are: RBI says this new facility ensures faster fund availability, improved convenience, reduced delays. That means money comes faster, banking becomes easier, and waiting time reduces. Conclusion. So friends, with RBI's new rules, banking is becoming smarter and faster than ever. From January 3, 2026, a new era begins, where checks will clear within just a few hours. As RBI says, be informed, be alert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yojak Chin. Would you like me to make this English version sound more natural for narration, with perfect voiceover timing and smooth transitions for your YouTube video?